Let us do some more problems on cross product. So let us consider a problem that we have to find a vector whose magnitude is as 20 and perpendicular to both A and B, and where A is 6i cap 9j cap and B is equal to minus 2i cap plus 7j cap. So let us go to the solution. If I try to look at the vector A and B, I'm just having some idea about the solution. To get an idea, since A is lying in the xy plane and B is also lying in xy plane, because only I and j components are there but k component is missing, so that means both A and B are lying in the xy plane. So that means a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B means that direction is the z-axis, or in other words I can say that A cross B is always along z-axis. So therefore the direction of the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is the k, and as it is asked to find out the vector whose magnitude is 20, so answer is magnitude multiplied by the direction, so it is the required vector, right? So let us try to find out this answer mathematically, that how this answer comes out to be. So that means first of all we need to find out the vector whose magnitude is whose direction is perpendicular to both A and B. So that means to find out the direction we need to find out the unit vector of A cross B, because A cross B is perpendicular to both A and B. So it is A cross B divided by their magnitude. So let us first of all find out A cross B. A cross B, it is equal to I, J, K. It is 6, it is 9, 0 and minus 2, 7 and 0. So and if I try to find it out, then it comes out to be 60k. And what is the magnitude of this A cross B? It is 60. So that means it is 60k over 60. So unit vector is k cap. And it was said that it is 20 is the magnitude of required vector. So therefore the required vector will become 20 means the magnitude and multiplied by unit vector. So that means required vector is C, and C is basically Cn, and where the magnitude C is given as 20 and n has been calculated as k cap. So therefore 20 k cap is the required vector. It is the required vector, right? Let us do one more problem. So find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are its A is equal to 6i cap plus 11j cap plus 9k cap, and B is given as 4i cap plus 7j cap and 5k cap. So now, as we know that the area is basically, as I discussed in that lecture, area of a parallelogram is equal to A cross B, its magnitude. So let us first of all find out A cross B. So it is I cap, it's j cap, and it's k cap, and let's put their values 6, 11 and 9, 4, 7 and 5, right, and try to find out this determinant. So it is I cap, it's basically I, omitting this, so 11, 7, 9, 5 plus j cap, sorry, not plus, but it will be minus j cap. Here it is omitting this, and so 6, 4 and 9, 5, 6, 4, 9, 5 plus k cap, omitting this, so it is 6, 11 and 4, 7, 6, 11 and 4, 7. That's what we are getting here, and let us try to find it out. So it's equal to I cap 55 minus 63 minus j cap, it is 6 5s are 30 and 9 4s are 36 plus k 42 minus 44. So it's equal to minus 8 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 2k cap, and therefore the area of parallelogram, the required area, is equal to A cross B, its magnitude. So it is minus 8 square plus 6 square plus minus 2 square whole under the root. So it comes out to be 104 under the root. So it's nearly equal to 10.198 square unit, right? So this is the answer which we are getting. And let us now discuss a very important point which we have to keep in mind. It's a very important point. All should keep that in mind. Important point. So say we are given two vectors A and B, and so these two vectors A and B are said to be parallel or perpendicular. So if two vectors are asked to find out whether they are parallel or not, then their cross product must vanish, and if they are perpendicular, then their dot product must vanish. This is a very important key point which we have to keep in mind. When we are asked or given that two vectors are perpendicular, then we have to equate that dot product equal to 0. But if we are asked to prove that these vectors are parallel, then we have to prove that their cross product is equal to 0, right? So this is a very important point to be kept in mind. So let us do one problem relating to it. So what's the problem? We have to show that A and B, two given vectors, are parallel, where A is given as 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap. B vector is given to us minus 6i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap. Let us try to check whether these vectors are parallel or not. So to prove two vectors to be parallel, we have to find out their cross product. So it's I, it's j, it's k, it is 2 minus 3 minus 1, it's minus 6, 9 and 3. So it's I, it is minus 3, 9 minus 1 and 3, minus j, it's 2, it's minus 6 minus 1 and 3, and plus k, it will be 2 minus 3 minus 6 and 9. So what it will be? It is I, it is minus 9 plus 9 minus j, it is 6 minus 6 plus k, it is 18 minus 18. So it will be 0. So it is 0 I cap, 0 j cap and 0 k cap. So overall it's a 0 vector. Thus A cross B vanishes. So that means A and B are parallel, right? So this is all about it. So this is all about vector cross product. So in the next lecture I will talk about further more properties of vector algebra, right? Few more important things relating to